Good day, Miss Cruz. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, good morning, Madam and Sir. I'm Ria Cruz. I'm 41 years old. I live in Arayat, Pampanga. I have 2 kids.
Okay. What is your marital status, ma'am?
I'm married.
Okay. Please indicate the age of your children.
My eldest daughter is 20 years old and my youngest son is 14 years old.
How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
We have 5 siblings.
What is your order in the family?
I'm second child.
Tell me about your educational background, ma'am.
I'm college level undergraduate.
Please state the reason why you didn't finish college, ma'am.
I'm early pregnancy.
Okay, thank you. Do you have any work experience abroad, ma'am?
I'm ex-Hong Kong and ex-Macau.
Please indicate your duties and responsibilities in Macau and Hong Kong as a domestic helper.
I can do household chores, take care baby. I can do cooking and all the things. And I'll do my best.
Did you take care of any kids back in abroad?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Please indicate their age.
2 and 4.
Okay, thank you. How would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I'm hardworking, simple, and I can do all the best and very patient.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Do you have any tattoos?
Yes, only one.
Can you indicate where, ma'am?
Here, my
Left hand.
left hand.
Okay, thank you. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery before, ma'am?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For the future of my kids and also for earn money for my future.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Are you scared of cats and dogs?
No.
Okay. Can you give us an idea on how would you handle a naughty child or a child with tantrums?
I can go to the park and play with them and sing the nursery rhyme.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Can you sing us a nursery song right now?
Yes.
Okay, please proceed, ma'am.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. What is your message to your future employer?
If you choose me being your helper, I can do very best and I can do all the things and I will be loyal to you, ma'am, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you.